Good morning, everyone. Sheila and I wanted to just hop on real quick. I kind of wanted to talk about our shampoo. The main reason, money kind of came into my life was I wanted to go to shampoo. Now, what a lot of people don't know is how to use it properly. Everyone's like, oh my gosh, the price, I can't imagine spending that much on shampoo. Really, in the long run, this ends up being cheaper than your typical shampoo that you can get at Target, Walmart, anything like that, because there's a little trick to it. You do not need as much. This is not watered down, anything like that. It's very concentrated, and you use just a tiny bit each wash. I obviously just got out of the shower, and I was kind of thinking about it in there. I'm like, I should do a video. I always talk to you when you're like kind of figuring out what you want for the first time and tell you how it works, but I'm gonna actually show you how this works. So all these bottles are about this size. Before you use it, you do want to shake it. This one, I just got out of the shower, so it has been shaken. So you'll shake it up, and then your hair will be wet, and you just need the tiniest bit, about that much. Then you're not going to plop it right onto your hair like you would any normal shampoo. Pull up my sleeve a little bit because I will probably get messy. You're actually going to take your hands and rub it together. This kind of activates the shampoo, warms it up, gets it ready for your scalp. Your hands, rub it until your hands look white like this. At that point, you're gonna just focus on your scalp and clean around there. The shampoo its main concern is your scalp. A clean scalp gives you a healthy hair, everything like that. So this is gonna focus on that. Your first wash, it won't bubble. So don't be alarmed. It's kind of, you do 2 washes, you can do 3. There are random times I do 3, sometimes after an oil treatment, but today we're gonna focus on 2 washes. So your first wash is going to just break down any buildup you might have, oils, hairspray, dry shampoo, mousse, anything like that, that you have. So that first wash is just breaking it down. So you'll let that sit for 2 minutes so it can actually do its job. After that, you're gonna shampoo again, about the same amount. I've noticed for myself, the second wash, I don't need as much, about that much. And you're gonna do the same thing again. Kind of activate it between your hands, warm it up. When it's white, go ahead and massage it into your scalp. The shampoo is going to bubble this time. Sometimes I get quite a lot of bubbles. Sometimes I do, like I said, do it a 3rd time. So you'll go ahead and do that. And this, again, mainly focusing on the scalp. Then you can go ahead and condition. I'm not going to get into that in this video, but maybe I'll do one later. But conditioner, you'll focus more on the mid to end of your hair. But yeah, that's how you shampoo with our shampoo. For a long time, I was not using it right, and I wasn't getting the results I wanted to see. Once I switched to that, and I switched all my products to the same brand, not putting the silicones, anything like that on your hair, this gives your hair its like natural, healthy look. This does not have the silicones that give it that waxy shine that a lot of people think is a good thing. That's not. That's clogging your, gosh, I can't think of it, your hair shaft, basically. And this is going to help remove that and give your hair its natural shine, natural glow, everything like that. Good for your hair. Get healthy hair. All right. Thanks. Bye.